Hi, my name is Morandini from Doñana Biological Station in Spain, and this paper arises because the lack of a uniform criteria to plan a successful reintroduction. In our paper, we selected 3 different species of raptors with different body size, fecundity, and population dynamics: the small lesser kestrel, the medium Bonari seagull, and the large Werder vulture, and first we simulated a reintroduction program changing the number of young released per year and analyzing how many years that we need to achieve a successful reintroduction. Second, we simulated the effect on the wild donor population, and finally we estimate the total cost of the different scenarios. Results show that, interesting, in all cases and with all species, a similar total number of youngs, around 100, must be released in order to get a successful reintroduction. And to increase as much as possible the number of young released per year will reduce the length of the program, will increase the finite size of the new population, will decrease the impact on the donor population, and decrease the total cost of the program.